Let's take 2 minutes to break down what's happening right now in the Vancouver real estate market. So whether you're a buyer, a seller, or just curious, you've got the know-how, you've got the information that you need. As of August 2025, there are now over 17,000 active listings in the greater Vancouver area. That is a 25% increase from last year and nearly a 46% increase from our 10-year seasonal average. So what does that mean? It means there's more selection, there's less urgency, there's more room to negotiate. Now let's look at the sales to active ratio, and it's sitting at around 13.4%, which puts us in a pretty balanced to a soft buyer's market. Average days on market are 32 days, which is slower than typical for the Vancouver area. That doesn't account for the relistings, so it tends to be longer than that. All in all, what does this mean for buyers? If you're a buyer, this is a good time to be looking around as there's not that much competition. You may see prices drop a little bit, and there's definitely room to negotiate on your price and even some of your closing terms. But there is a little bit of a catch. Interest rates have not gone down as much as we expected this year, so there's still a really big factor. So while prices have leveled off in some areas, affordability continues to be a challenge. That said, there are areas with high demand, such as East Vancouver or Lynn Valley, where properties continue to sell fast if they're priced right, especially the detached or the townhouse. What does this mean if you're a seller? Well, it's really, really important if you're a seller to set your expectations correctly. Homes that are priced well and correct will sell effectively, especially if they're staged and marketed correctly. But if you're aiming for numbers that were from years past, you might miss your window on selling in this summer season coming up. And you may be sitting on the market too long because buyers are definitely savvy and they want a deal. That's what they're looking for. So more listings, more balance, more strategy required if you want to be a seller. It's a different market than it has been, and it's definitely not a bad one, but it's just a different market. Whether you're looking to move up, downsize, or invest, it's key to understand what is happening in your segment of the market and to be realistic with yourself. If you have any more questions about the neighborhood or properties that you're interested in, let's chat. I'd love to help you. My name is Roland Kim with Keller Williams and the Kim Boona team.